Welcome to ServiceNow training by LearnNow. In the last video, we have seen what are the business rule, types of business rule, what are the operations that we can perform in business rule. In this video, we are going to perform some use cases of the four business rule. First is insert. So first use case is create incident task from incident and copy description, short description, configuration item, assignment group on incident task. Okay, let's move to the PDI. I have opened a new record. Just wanted to populate the values and create it. Should populate the assign configuration item since we are going to be populated on the task. I copy configuration item and support group. Software copy and save this form. We have our incident ready. Let's first try to create incident task before writing anything and see how it works out of the box. So short description is mandatory on incident task. Let me save the forms. Okay, configuration item, assignment group, assigned to description. These fields are empty. So we just need to populate these value before inserting the task. Let's move to our incident. So since we are going to insert this record values before inserting the record in the database, we should be using from the insert. We will be taking incident task table because the record we are creating is in incident task. Incident underscore task using advanced before insert. Here we need to map the fields current.aws assignment group, but we don't have the value. So we need the value. From where we can get? We can get it from the incident task incident. So there is an incident field on the incident task here from which we can get the values. So we need to apply a glide record to get the incident. I am giving a proper naming convention. So when it's in incident sysID current dot, this field's backend name is incident. If you right click and show incident, it will give you the field name, the table it is reference created on, and table it is referencing to. So we got this sysID. We are using if because we are using sysID. SysID will give us only one record, so there is no point in using while. Now populate the value. We have mapped all the three values. Now we just need to save the incident, this BR, and test it out once. Okay, let me just create another task. Create incident task. BR created is a short description. I'm not submitting because it will redirect me to the previous page. I just want to stay on the same page and see how the fields are populating. Okay, my fields are populated. MacBook Air 13, software support, and combination of this here. So this is how you can use insert BR to copy fields, to copy description, short description, work notes to another incident or task. Okay, moving to the next use case, we have update BR. So restrict incident cannot directly move to resolved or new state. Okay, so we have this incident. It has a new state. First, I will show you how it works in out of the box. When I click on resolve, these are mandatory fields that you need to populate. And if you click on resolve, it will redirect you to the previous page. Okay, this is the incident. It is resolved. So, but basically we should restrict it. The user should not directly resolve it from new state. So I just need to close all the tabs, create a new business rule. State new should not be resolved. Okay, incident table advanced. So since user is going to click on the resolve button, or even if it directly save the state to resolve, so it's updating the record. It's updating the record on the database, but before that we need to restrict this updation. So just click on the update. If previous dot state equals to 1, that is new, and current dot state equals to 6, like the previous is new and current is 6, then we should avoid it. I will show an error message to the user. This is just an error message. How to restrict it? You can use set about action. This is a glide method. If you pass the parameter as true, it will restrict the current database operation. Let's save and see how it works. Let's move this back to new. Okay, now my incident is at new state. I just need to update it to resolve, provide the resolution, and save. New incident cannot be resolved. This is how you will get an error, and if you refresh the page again, it's new. Okay, let's test the positive scenario. If the incident is in progress state, can we resolve it? Let me provide the resolution. Test and resolve. Okay, it got resolved since it was not in the new state. So this is how you can resolve your incident by using update VR before VR. So for the current, next is delete and query. We will be seeing them in the next video. I will be pasting these use cases in the description. Please do like my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.